Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you guys remember when they first opened the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocho Rios slash Boscobel? That they said it was to be for luxury tourism, where people would fly in on their private jets to Jamaica. Well, the idea was good, but the location was terrible. Now, let's look at the Sangster International Airport. And over the Christmas, on just one day, they had 18 private planes coming in. 18 private planes. These are the small luxury jets. So the idea was good, but it's just that the Ian Fleming International Airport was a bad location. The airport still is nowhere close to. Uh, People don't like when we say it, but that airport is like an epic failure. But Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay gets 18 private planes a day. So the concept is good for private planes coming to Jamaica or luxury tourism. And with the Pinnacle being built, they are going towards luxury brand for they're going to put a hotel there, luxury residences. So they're going to brand it as a luxury hotel. So the luxury tourism market can work in Jamaica. You just need the right location. And right now, that location looks like Montego Bay, or that location is Montego Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the luxury tourism market in Jamaica. Jamaica continues to cement its status as a premier vacation destination with a significant uptake in luxury travel and celebrity visits. During Christmas, a record-breaking 18 private jets landed at the Sangster International Airport in a single day, signaling the island's growing appeal among the world's elite. And the Sangster International Airport is located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Delana Seavright, senior advisor and strategist in the Ministry of Tourism, expressed excitement over the influx of high-profile visitors, noting it as a testament to Jamaica's allure. There has been an overwhelming growth in the arrival of celebrities and other high-profile visitors to our shores over the years. This, no doubt, is testimony of the growing allure of the destination, he stated. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett echoed the optimism, describing the resurgence in tourism as a remarkable feat. We've moved from a complete halt during the pandemic to achieving one of the most extraordinary recoveries in global tourism history, Bartlett noted. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, we're driving on the north coast today. This is a northern coastal highway. Prime tourist area from Ocho Rios all the way back to Negril. You have massive resorts going up all over, massive resorts going up on the north coast. You have the Pinnacle being built in Montego Bay. You have Hard Rock Hotel Group opening 3 hotels. You have the 7th Rio opening in Trelawney. You have the Princess Resort opening in Hanover. You have Wyndham building hotels in Negril. You have Secrets building hotels in St. Anne. So this is just the beginning of the tourism surge in Jamaica. And you really have to give credit to the Minister of Tourism. I mean, I think everybody can say he's doing an exceptional job. He is getting the job done and more. Alright, guys, let us know what you think about the luxury tourism market in Jamaica and 18 private jets in one day. And I mean, you can expand the Sangster International Airport to the edge of the sea. We are still going to need a second airport, which is going to be the Negril International Airport, because there just is not enough space at the Sangster International Airport to accommodate what's coming. Alright, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.